Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made these floating candles. The very first thing you want to do is get yourself some fairy lights with a remote. And you need the remote so that it can be turned on and off because it's going to be up in the ceiling. Now they do sell some that's battery operated, and I opted not to get that because I was told that the batteries run out rather quickly. Instead, I went with the fairy lights that can plug in and decide to make my own. I'm using some of these candles I got from the Dollar Tree. It's 6 in a pack. And I'm probably going to have to get some more, but that's what I have so far. And then you want to make sure your LEDs don't get hot, because if they get hot, then it will melt what we're going to do with the hot glue. Alright, I'm doing every other one. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put some hot glue right on the tip of this, and then we're going to fold this over on top of the light. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit on there. You want to let it cool for a second or use a pair of pliers before you try to do anything with it. So otherwise you'll burn your finger and get a blister. But once it's cooled down some, you want to go ahead and put it right over top and then fold it in. And then squeeze it in place. I recommend using pliers because the hot glue can burn your finger. And just like that, you have a candle that hangs. Okay, you guys, so these are the lights hung up. I'm not done yet. I've got about double that left to do, but I just want to hang them up so I can get them in the video and put it on here for you guys. So this room is going to be completely Harry Potter, and it's painted trees on the wall and everything, and then a deer in the middle that's actually going to be cut out of the laser with a light, so then that's going to be there. Here are some AI images to give you an idea of how you can hang your candles. And good luck. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe.